Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, both accounts logged, stable Wi-Fi, and game updated. Once done, pair controllers or enable multi-touch input. This ensures each player receives separate controls. Next, open PUBG Mobile and enter settings, then device, enable split or multiplayer local mode. Make sure to accept controller prompts. They assign player slots. You do this now so the game recognizes two input devices simultaneously, preventing later input conflicts. Once both accounts are in the same local room, choose a map and invite the second player. Then map controls deliberately. Assign left stick and primary fire to player 1, right stick and secondary actions to player 2. This prevents overlap. After mapping, enter the training range to validate aim, reload, and sprint controls for each user. If touch zones overlap, shift HUD elements slightly. This keeps each player's interface clear and avoids accidental presses during intense fights. Start the match and monitor responsiveness immediately. You want steady frames and no input lag. If one controller drops or inputs double trigger, reconnect or swap to wired USB. This often restores stable polling rates. Should stuttering persist, close background apps and lower graphics to 30 FPS. That reduces CPU load and stabilizes split rendering. As a key troubleshooting tip, reboot the device and repair controllers before re-entering the room. This resolves most recognition errors without deeper changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.